Oh no! Why can't our little frog jump? Let's find out what's wrong and help him make an amazing jump! Do you know, kids? Every movement has a secret. Before we jump, we need a little movement to get ready. Look at this spring. If I just let it go like this, it doesn't jump very high. But if I push it down first, whoosh! Look how much higher it jumps! Haha! Now let's let Goo-Goo try. Goo-Goo just jumped, but he didn't get ready. If he squashes down first and then stretches up, Goo-Goo jumped much higher. Try it at home too. First, make yourself small, then stretch up tall. Can you feel the difference? Now that we know the secret jumping, let's help our frog jump. First, let's draw our frog. Now let's build our frog with clay. To make our frog move like a real frog, we need to teach him 3 important poses. First, we make a simple frog pose. This is our frog getting ready. Next, our frog squashes down before jumping. Energy for the jump. Then our frog stretches out to make the jump feel bigger and stronger. If you want to learn more about squash and stretch, check out this video. Okay, now it's time to animate. Let's help Arv jump higher using these 3 poses. Place your simple frog and take a picture. Now stretch your frog up and take another picture. Now add more frames. A simple frog, a stretched frog, a simple frog. Our frog jumped. With just a few, frog move bigger and more alive. Now it's your turn. Make your own frog and teach it new moves. For more fun adventures, join me and Goo-Goo. Bye-bye!